up? It has been forever since I've done a vlog style video, but, or just use my vlogging camera in general. So today I wanted to use it for this video because I figured it'd be more fun to create the video this way than just like sit down. I wanted to share with you guys 5 things that I have been loving lately. So if you'd like to see some things that I've been using non-stop, then please keep watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, my name is Whitney Wiley. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so if you can hit that subscribe button down below, I would be eternally grateful. And you can give me a like too if you like. Best part is both the like and the subscribe are free 99. So let's get started on 5 things that I've been loving lately. Enjoying the view out there. But now, I gotta show you the stuff. Okay, first off are these camisoles from the brand LilySilk. So I want to say special thanks to LilySilk for reaching out to me and collaborating with me on this portion of the video. So I personally have been wearing camisoles non-stop through summer, and I know I'm gonna wear them through fall. I live in Los Angeles, so it's not cold, and these are great pieces that you can use for layering. I know that I'll be wearing this cami like underneath a blazer or underneath a jacket in the fall time. So that way, you know, if it gets a little too hot, just drop the jacket. But anyway, had to talk to you guys about these camisoles. I'm currently wearing the white one, and I tried these on for you, so I'll insert these in. They sent me a 2-pack, so it came with the white one and a black one as well. I personally love these because I know they're gonna get so much use and be something that I pull out of my closet every week to wear. These, you guys, are made with genuine silk, so not satin, silk material. It's a very high-end product, great quality. It feels really, really comfortable on the skin, and it drapes so well over the body. So I love these. You can just see like the movement. It just flows and it looks super elegant. I know I'll be wearing these with like jeans and over-the-knee boots over the fall and winter. And then you could also pair this with like a blazer and you could wear it into work. Or you could pair it in with like a long flowy skirt for the holidays. It's definitely just a high quality item and a luxury piece, so I'm really happy to have this in my wardrobe. A little information about LilySilk. They have been in the silk field for over 8 years. They make high quality pieces. They do bedding, women's fashion. So any of your satin needs, they make it on their website. They even have pajamas, which is probably what I will pick up next because I would love some silk pajamas for winter time. Just a little tidbit for you guys. Several of celebrities have been seen in LilySilk before. They have super fast shipping, so my product got to me extremely fast. The fabric is breathable and moisture wicking, and it's just extremely durable. So silk can last for over 15 years if you treat it well. So just a little tidbit. This is definitely a piece you can have in your wardrobe for a long time. So they sell the camisoles separately, and then they also sell a 2-pack, so I will link both of those down below as well as their website. And I forgot to mention, they gave me a coupon code. So you'll get 15% off full price items if you just use my code. So I'll put the code right here on the screen. And then I'll also put it down below by the website. So I would definitely check them out if you're looking for any type of luxury silk items. I know they would make great gifts for the holidays, like silk pajamas or a silk camisole set to give to a girlfriend or sister or mom in your life. So I will leave all that information down below, so just check the description bar. And use the discount so you can save yourself some money. Okay, the next 2 items I want to share with you guys are both makeup, and they're both amazing. So I have been using both of these products non-stop, and I had to show them to you. Up first is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. So this is what it looks like. How pretty is this? So beautiful. And this is in the shade How Many Carats. I think this is the only shade out for now, but it says it's a super fine 3D sparkle for face and body. So you guys, look at this packaging. The most gorgeous holiday packaging. And I don't know if they meant to do this for holiday, but so it looks like a diamond and it's sparkly, which, I mean, who doesn't want that? And then it comes with a mirror, and then this is the product. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So this is literally a silver shimmer. I just rub my finger in there over it. It's super, super soft. And this is what it looks like swatched. It's literally like a straight glitter. This formula is really interesting because it doesn't feel sticky. You barely can tell that you have it on. It's just like a pressed glitter. So you rub your finger over it and literally just glitter comes up. There's no color to it. It's just the glitter particles, but it's not sticky or creamy or anything like that. It feels like dry and smooth. And the glitter is not gritty, so it's very smooth. So what I like to do with this, couple of things. I'm gonna use a little bit today. So obviously you could put this on as highlighter. I haven't done that yet. I don't know, that might be like a little too much for me for everyday life, but I will definitely be dousing my body in this for Halloween. So I'll be wearing this as highlight for Halloween. No matter where I'm going, no matter what I'm gonna be, it's gonna be something glittery. But I've been using this on my lids. So I just use it with my finger. You could use a brush, but I honestly just go with my finger and then look, I will show you guys. And I just put it right over the lid shade, just like that. I just like pat it on. It's very, very subtle on camera, but it makes an impact in person. Like you can see this from a mile away. And then I'll blend out the crease. This will be great for Christmas looks. This will be great for holiday, New Year's Eve looks. I love this. So if you're a person who likes glitter, but you don't want it to be too overpowering, I think this is a really, really, really pretty product. You can put it on your body, like they said. So you can just take this and you can do like your collarbones, like this, and mix it in with like some body oil, and it's so pretty. Look at that. It looks so good. Man, I wish I had this during summer because I would have been wearing this like by the pool. You know what I mean? Like literally doing the most by the pool. I would just take like a fluffy brush and just kind of buff it to blend that out. Look, look how beautiful that is. So pretty. I've been wearing this non-stop. Like I've been scampering around town looking like a fairy and loving it. Okay, loving it. Okay, so the next product that I've been loving and using every single day is the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. So Laura Mercier obviously is known for their translucent powders, but they have come out with a glow powder. And the glow powder is so pretty. It looks exactly the same except for the cap right here. It's like chrome. And they came out with 2 shades just like they have with their regular powder. So this is translucent medium deep. And let me show you guys what this looks like. So this is an all over face powder. You can use this all over. I'm telling you, people are gonna go, the new trend is gonna be like shimmer all over. Watch, look at that. Once I rub that in. So this is a condensed swatch. Obviously you're not gonna just put that streak on your face, but it has so much glow in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm actually going to use, they actually sent me this plus their glow powder brush. So this is formulated for the powder. So I just take a little bit here. And if you want to do glow on your cheeks, or if you want to do like your forehead or your nose or your chin, areas where maybe you don't want as much glow, this is really pretty because it's kind of like that glow from within look. So I really, really like this because if I don't want to go all out with the glow, then I'll use this. Or I will use this on like my forehead and my chin area. And then I will go crazy on my cheeks with a more vibrant highlighter. I have a little highlighter on from earlier. So this kind of like really hits in the contours of your cheek too. So you just go right here. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that insane? Look at that. Like there's so much power in that, but at the same time it's not like overpowering. Like it kind of just looks like your skin is glowing. It's such a good balance of like a highlighter that you can see, but at the same time it looks like it's just skin. It kind of doesn't even make sense. Let me use like a fluffy brush again to just blend this out so it's not so strong. But look at that. Do you see that? Love this product. Literally have not put it down since I got it, and I'm probably gonna just use it till I run out. Okay, so the next item I wanna share with you guys is my GloPro Eye Edition from Beautybio. So I have been using this ever since I got it. I got it in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so I got it from Nordstrom, and I have been loving this. So I kind of feel like it's time for me to start implementing beauty tools into my regimen, not just products, but tools as well. So this is one of the first things I purchased. I actually purchased 3 items, so I'm getting around to trying all of them, but this is the one that I've been using the most and have been loving. So this is a microneedling regeneration tool, and there's tons of benefits to microneedling. This is so cool. It comes in beautiful packaging. It's like rose gold. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like a rose gold packaging. By the way, this would be a great gift to give because any person, man or woman, would be interested in getting this. Frank actually uses this all the time, so yeah, it's not just for women. Anyone who's interested in skincare will love this. So you open it up like this. It kind of has like a little information pack, and then this is what it looks like inside. It comes with some eye patches, which I actually haven't taken the time to use yet. It comes with another roller. This one's a little skinnier, so I think you can get a little closer to your eye. It comes with a little skincare sample as well, and then it comes with an empty sanitizing spray bottle, and you're probably like, why is this empty? They actually can't place alcohol in the spray bottle because they're shipping it to you. But this is, you just fill it up with alcohol. I got some at the drugstore. It also comes with a charger. I have the charger in the wall. But here is your tool. You always want to spray it before you use it to keep it sanitized, but here it is. So what you do is you just turn this on. It'll start to vibrate and light up. And this is the needling device, but it has microscopic needles on it, and you just roll this across your skin. It basically creates trauma on your skin, and from there, what you can do is it has left a microscopic opening on your skin. So when you go in with your serums, your moisturizers, your creams, they actually help to penetrate your skin a lot better than they normally would. So I love to use this right before I use like a high-end mask or a high-end serum or a high-end beauty oil. That way I know that I'm getting the full benefits of the serum or the beauty oil that I've spent so much money on, and it's really absorbing and sinking into my skin. So I believe you can do this up to about 3 times a week. I do it like twice a week, but I think it's just a really great tool to use just to make sure that it helps with like cell regeneration, cell turnover. I believe it helps to produce collagen as well, but it just does an amazing job of making sure that the serums and the creams really sink into your skin. It also helps with enlarged pores, which is an issue I definitely have. So yeah, I've been loving using this tool. I think it's a really, really awesome thing to try out. I really, really love this one. I definitely think it's worth checking out if you've ever been interested in a microneedling tool. Okay, so my next current favorite is a random one. It is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up, and this is a gray cover up. So I currently don't have gray hairs yet, thank God, but I think this product is really, really awesome for several reasons. I know that Ulta and Sephora both have a gray cover up root spray type of thing, and they sell it for like $30 a bottle, and this is like under $10 I believe at the drugstore. So I've been using this non-stop. There's several different things you can use this for. So obviously if you have grays, you can spray it on your roots to cover them up, but also if you have hair color and your hair grows out, you can always spray your roots. Personally, what I like to use this for is to fill in the edges of my hair. So if I feel like there's an area around my edges that don't have as much color as I want it to have, I will spray that in the root area, and it just kind of helps to bring it all together. And you normally see that when you like pull your hair back or pull your hair in a ponytail or a bun. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use it. I'll actually use this for hair pieces as well. So for wigs, it's like if I need to just add a little more color on the lace, sometimes that's even easier than coloring in the lace with makeup. So let me show you how I use it. Okay, so on my own hair, if I ever feel like it's thin or I just don't like the way it looks, I will just spray a little. And you have to be careful because it has like this little nozzle that's really sharp to control the color, but it can spray on your face after makeup, so be careful. So I just spray this, but like it's a little bit darker now. So I love that. And then what I do, because it'll be patchy obviously because I sprayed it, I'll just go in with a brush and then brush it out, and then that just kind of disperses the product. So I'll just brush it out like that, and it just kind of spreads it out. And once again, like I mentioned, this is super, super affordable. So you can see how this side is looking a lot thinner than this side because it's been colored in. So I love using it. I use it all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about the products that I've been loving lately. I love sharing this with you guys. I haven't done like a monthly favorites or anything like that in a long time. So I just wanted to share with you the things that I've been using every single day, pretty much day in and day out. So yeah, I will make sure to have everything linked down below. So if you want to check out any of the things, you can find it. Make sure to definitely check out LilySilk if you're interested in any silk pieces, from bedding, pajamas, camisoles, and don't forget to use my code so you can get that 15% off. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which camisole color you like the best, or which one you think I can style the best during winter. I personally kind of like a winter white thing. I don't follow that no white after Labor Day rule, but yeah, I would love to hear you guys' opinion on which one you think would look cuter with fall and winter pieces. And let me know if you've tried any of these items, or you get the chance to try any. I'd love to hear your opinion on them too. Comment down below, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.